Very good evening everyone to Ecovision Academy. In this class, I am going to show you that how to clean your data, how to clean the dates in your data. When there are several use cases when you will find that in your data set, the dates will be in a very unstructured and in a very unorganized way. You will find that your dates will be present in a very unorganized and in a very messy way. It will not be cleaned, it will not be in a proper format. In those cases, you have to find out a way to clean your dates from the dataset. Now, as you can see from this dataset that I have shared, in this dataset I have a column named ordered date, and in this ordered date there are um, several dates, but that formatting of the dates are not in proper structured way. Some of the dates are containing slashes, some of the dates are containing hyphens, and some of the dates are also containing a timestamp of 0000. That is basically 12 o'clock. So now if I have to clean this row, if I have to clean all these dates from the data set, what can I do? At first I will basically select all the values of the date, all the values of the column. So for that I will click on Control Shift down arrow. By clicking on Control Shift down arrow, I have selected all the dates. Now I will go to um, general and I will convert this as short date. I am going in this number section and I am going in this number section and I am clicking on short date. So the dates formatting is now there present. Okay. Now after converting it into short dates, still my problem is not resolved. So I have to resolve my problem. For that, I will go to find and select and I will go to replace. After going to replace, what will I do? Initially, I don't want the slashes. I don't want the slashes. In the place of slashes, I want hyphens. So I will just click find what. In find what, I will click, I will put slash, and in replace with, I will put a hyphen. And I will click on replace all. Excel will show you that all done. We made 3036 replacements. Okay, so now as you can see all the slashes are gone and we have only the hyphens present here. Still my net data or still my dates are not in a proper format. I want to remove this 00, the timestamp, right? That is 12 o'clock. Uh, these are not required. So I will go to find and select again. I will go to replace, and in this case I will give in find what I will provide 0 0, and in replace with I will just put it blank. Okay, I don't require anything in place of that, so I am not replacing it with anything else. So I will keep it blank and I will click on replace all, and as you will see Excel has replaced all those things. Now I want to format it in a proper way. I want to change the alignment of the data. The data should be aligned in a proper way. So I am just going into the alignment section and I am putting it in the this alignment. Now you can see our order date is now properly formatted. In this way you can clean your dates from your data and you can restore a proper formatting in your data. Stay tuned with Ecovision Academy for learning such interesting concepts in advanced Excel. Thank you.